So it is pretty much favorite day of the month for a lot of you guys. It is Ipsy Bag Unboxing Day. It just came today and I'm so stoked because I took a peeky on the website of what's in it. So let's see what else it is because I just can't wait. I just can't wait. Alright, that opened a lot more easily than I expected. So here is our bag, which would be cool in and of itself. I like the ribbony type of pull tag on this one too, but it's pretty cool. But the awesome thing with this month's bag is that it's the first ever Ipsy DIY bag because they included markers with it, so everybody can color in their own unique bag. Granted, I think there's only like 2 markers, like a pink and a yellow, if the website wasn't lying, in which case I'd like to know if they're permanent or water-based markers, whichever it is. I have more of at home, well, I am home, but would kind of like to use more than just 2 colors on it, you know, but it was nice of them to include some markers. So we're, okay, so here's the card. It says create on it. Ipsy March 2018. Kind of cool doodly designs. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe. Pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Well, dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. Need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. We even included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you like to help you unleash the artist within. Share your creation on social media and tag Ipsy and hashtag IpsyCreate for a chance to be featured on Ipsy.com. And for tons more info and everything you need to know about your 5 glam bag picks, head on over to the Ipsy mobile app. We can't wait to see what you create. Aww. Oh, and right on top, okay, we have the 2 markers. Does it say hashtag IpsyCreate? That's really cute. Warning to avoid danger, suffocation. Keep this and all other plastic bags away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy made in China. Well then. That's mildly terrifying. Okay, let's see what kind of tips they got. Okay, so they're little bullet nibs on them. Let's see. I'll probably be able to tell by the smell what kind of pens they are. Okay, those are alcohol based. All right, well, now we know that they are definitely permanent markers. Thankfully, I have my set of Ohuhu alcohol based markers I can also use on this. So that's the 2 markers, and there's the color of the nib on that one, just like the cap shows. Yeah, that's a thing. So I will have fun with that, and I will post it to Instagram. So what is that? The bubble wrap on this I thought was fur for a split second because I didn't look down. I was like, what am I feeling? What is furry? And oh, it's bubble wrap. Okay. I am stupid. So, we have Hickory Cream Pigment. In the color Shine. Alright then. That is interesting. Let's see it. Could open it so carefully because I'm so leery with all the eyeshadows now ever since that one that just exploded on everything. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. That's gorgeous. I'm a little timid to wear something quite that bold, but at the same time, I'm like, dude, bring it. This couldn't have come yesterday on Liza Minnelli's birthday. That would have been a perfect time to have, like, metallic eyeshadow on. Man, that, you know, missed opportunity, but... Okay, what do we have? I think I feel a lipstick. Ooh, I do. It kind of looks like a dildo, but it's a lipstick. So this is from a brand called Mellow in the color Nude. Oh, thank God. There was 2 colors you could have gotten, and the other one was like a dark, dark brown. I was like, there is no way I'm gonna be able to pull off that color. I hope I get the nude one. Thank God I got the nude one. So, let's see here. Matte lipstick. That's, okay. Minimal testing. After opening. Paraben free. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Alright. Try to open it. Boop. Come on, plastic. Get off of there, you little bastard. Okay. Oh my god, it's clinging to me so bad. Ooh, that's bad plastic. Let's see it. Oh, how cute! It's got their logo printed into the lipstick. Look how effing cute that is. Alright, I could see that color working. It's very... They call it nude, but I would call that a mauve. Alright, I could get behind that. I will do a review on that separately, all on its own. Because I think it deserves one. That is a pretty color. I do like that. Hopefully it'll show up on me, but I do like it. Let's look at it just next to my natural lips. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. But, you know. It's nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What is this? We have got a Veneffect Pore Minimizing Cleanser. I clearly need it, because, can we all see this situation? Yeah. Yeah. It is needed. Oh, goodness. I don't think I've ever had a pore minimizing cleanser. This multitasking gentle foaming gel cleanser with willow bark, soy, and pomegranate whisks away everyday impurities, removes excess sebum, reduces the appearance of pore size, infuses skin with phytonutrients and essential hydration. Okay, I could get behind that. Wish it were a bigger tube, but I suppose if it's good, I can always buy more. Oh, it's a mini one. Dang it. I almost bought the full size of this, like, last summer. But this is by Tarte. It is a black eyeliner, and it is Sex Kitten. And I totally want it for the name, and the fact that it's got a cat on it. I am that big a sucker. I will not even lie to you. But, let's take a look-see at it. Ooh. Okay. Unfortunately, there's only this much product in the entire thing. That's rolled all the way up, but, still stoked to even have a miniature one. And now I'll know for sure one way or the other whether or not I like this one and whether or not it's worth paying $20+ for an eyeliner. Which to me sounds friggin' crazy, especially since it's just black eyeliner. I mostly wanted it for the packaging, which I now have in this, so maybe I'll forego that purchase, but I am very, very stoked to have this. You have no freaking clue. Because like I said, I very nearly bought that last year. Last item. Okay, tell me. Is it pronounced Glossier or Glossier? I feel like it's Glossier, but, you never know. So, there was 4 possibilities you could have gotten with this. You could have gotten original, you could have gotten coconut, you could have gotten mint, which is what I got, or you could have gotten rose. Now, my madre is also subscribed to Ipsy now. She got the rose, and it smells amazing, and I wish I could have begged it off of her, but she won't budge. So, but, I am interested to see how mine smells. Because we had an agreement that if I got the coconut one and she got anything else, I was gonna trade her. But, ooh, that does smell good. Oh, good. I don't regret not trading that. Just be like, I swear, if this sucks and she has, like, the good one, I may go try and make a swap. But, no, okay, this actually does smell really good. This, too, will get its own review. Mintbomb.com. Oh my god, that is literally the name of it. I wonder if this is a mini or if this is like a full-size tube of it. Universal Skin Salve. Full ingredients list at glossier.com. Oh, this one's 18 months after opening. Cruelty-free. Well, that's cool. Especially since most lip glosses, like, 1 year after opening, they're done for. So that's kind of cool. All right. It's a shame it's so little, because I feel like I'm gonna go through that in like a second and fall in love with it and then be sad that I don't have more of it, but it's still really cool though. So anyways, yeah, this was really quick, but that is what I got in this month's Ipsy Glam bag. So if you guys are subscribed to Ipsy and you did your own unboxing, let me know down below, and I will go check out your videos too, because I always love seeing what other people got and just comparing notes. Also, if you would like to become an Ipsy member and you want to bypass the waitlist, I'm including my referral link down below, which benefits us both. You get to bypass the waitlist and I get 250 points. So, anyways, yes, please make use of that if you were thinking of joining up. Yeah, so anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, leave comments down below. If, I can sign off. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, they're all listed down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.